Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 6i and let me share with you how to activate the automatic system updates on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the additional settings. Now let's scroll down a little, and as you can see here we've got developer options. If you cannot find this option in your device, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them, so just check it and get back to this video. So if we are in the developer options, we have to find the option which is called automatic system updates. And as you can see right now they are turned off, so just turn it on by tapping on this switcher, and from now on, since it is active, your device will apply updates when it will be restarted. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want to, but let me leave it like this. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Realme 6i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.